Something else you got to take care of is your home, your property. That's going to be important. We are talking fire danger today. So the reason why that is the wind and the humidity are both in favor of fires, and by that they're not going to start the fire, but if a fire gets started, it's going to spread really easily and really rapidly. So fire weather warning is in place today, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. all day long for all of the coastal bend. All of the coastal bend is included in the fire weather warning, so you've got to use caution today. And there's also wind. That's a big issue. Wind will be sustained 20 to 30 miles per hour, maybe a little calmer right on the coastline, but regardless, we're talking the potential for 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts. That's going to make it difficult for high-profile vehicles to drive in these conditions as well. Dry vegetation, we are in our driest time of year. Typically, that comes this time of year, but it's been extra dry. It's the 7th driest fall to winter, or at least October through March period on record. And it's extremely low relative humidity, especially for us here in South Texas. And so fires are going to spread really easily. The cold front that's going to be responsible for this dry northwest wind moves through Corpus Christi around 9 a.m. this morning. That's when our fire danger intensifies. That's when our winds intensify as well. We're talking a west-northwest wind gust around 43 to 45 miles per hour by 2 p.m. Elsewhere in Texas, so outside of South Texas, we do have a chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Now, B County, Live Oak, or Refugio County, and even Aransas County, maybe San Patricio County could see a few showers. I don't anticipate us seeing thunderstorms. Victoria to Houston has a chance of thunderstorms, but the highest risk of strong to severe weather or tornadoes is going to be East Texas and then into the Texarkana region later on this afternoon. Behind the cold front, we are windy, we are dry, and we've got fire danger. The reason we are turning so windy is there's low pressure, a big area of low pressure, strong low pressure that's associated with the cold front. Additionally, high pressure building over northern Mexico. In between these two areas, look at where the wind is coming from, the desert southwest. This dry continental air moves into Texas, specifically South Texas, and really dries us out and boosts our fire danger. Heading into Wednesday, we've got some nicer conditions. The wind won't be quite as strong on Wednesday, but the wind returns back out of the southeast by Friday, so we do turn humid. Now, there is another chance for another cold front on the way. The exact specifics of that front still need to be ironed out a little bit, but we are going to be very dry today and even tomorrow, but the wind is lighter on Wednesday, so we don't have the weather impact alert for the fire danger. But as we head into the Sunday, we're talking another risk for some pretty dry conditions. Temperature, the dew point. The dew point is the big reason why our fire danger goes up because of that dry continental air we talked about. So you'll see that falling after 9 a.m. once the front passes through. And so the impact is our strong dry winds and creating the extreme fire danger. And so what you need to do is no outdoor burning and avoid anything that can cause sparks today, especially today. That fire danger kind of continues into Wednesday, but more so Tuesday is the day we're focusing on the fire danger. It's still windy Thursday, but that wind returns out of the southeast. We warm up Saturday and then we cool down a bit heading into next week.